Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hanong Thamai Old Beat House Shillong.
Rakhe ka Women's Day da ka health checkup, Ringkat bat ka Woodland Hospital Shillong.
Menteri Rangba jong ke Sarkar Jilla Konrad Konggal Sangma mentakasngi ke Arterik Unailber Arajar Arfuwe ulalum jingelang yiki Deputy Commissioner jong ki District Baper ke Jilla bad kumju ru ya ki Head Officer jong ke Sarkar ban yakren halor ke Sustainable Development Goals bala ailat shiki Jilla Baper jong keri India bakin pentre Kampura ya ki song penroy na kabenta ka roy kapar haki Jilla jong keri. Menteri Rangba jong ke Jilla ulia thoru ba ke Sarkar Jilla ke laptha ye ki district bakin kenjo ye ki thong khnang ba ka kardan jong ke Jilla ha ke jingkeu jong ke yok ke kot bat ka roy kapar kan kham keu shakman ha ke jo ko por Menteri Rangba ulia thoru ba ke Sarkar ke lakut jingmut ban pha pisa marsan pholak tengka shaman la ka wei ke district kum ke jingpin shlor bakin pentrai kam ye ki program baper.
So we felt strongly that all these goals that have been made state-wise can be also then localized and given district-wise. So an app has been created by the planning department, and all the deputy commissioners were here today. All the different senior officials from the different departments were here, and the objective was to involve everybody, make sure that the data are available, and also push the respective deputy commissioners to also take more interest in these goals so that we can improve our ranking. We have decided also to rank the districts now, and we have also decided to give a untied fund of 50 lakhs per district to so that they can use that fund to implement programs and schemes which will ultimately lead to improvement of the rankings. So we're trying to create a positive competitiveness between the different districts also. So these matters were discussed today. I'm sure that with the involvement of the deputy commissioners and all the different departments, we will be able to improve the ranking of Meghalaya, which is very low as of now, but I'm confident that in the coming years, we will be able to bring up the overall SDG ranking.